Okay, the HR5717 Gun Violence Prevention and Community Safety Act of 2020. Hi, I'm T. Mari. This is Madison's Children. Just looking at some proposals they're trying to do and some more gun laws here in Florida. The HR 5717 Gun Violence Prevention and Community Safety Act of 2020. Boy, they come up with these big titles and try to make it sound like it's all that, when all they're trying to do is pluck away at your freedoms. This bill makes various changes to federal paper framework governing the sale, transfer, and possession of firearms and ammunition, among other things. The bill does the following. Generally requires individuals to obtain a license to purchase, acquire, and possess a firearm or ammunition. See, they're trying to sneak that just like in Jaime's law there. Raises the minimum age from 18 to 21 years to purchase firearms and ammunitions. Establishes new background check requirements for firearm transfers between private parties. Requires law enforcement agencies to be notified following a firearms-related background check that results in a denial. Creates a statutory process for a family or household member to petition a court for an extreme risk protection order to remove firearms from an individual who poses a risk of committing violence. Who makes that call? Restricts the import, sale, manufacture, transfer, or possession of semi-automatic assault weapons and large capacity ammunition feeding devices. Restricts the manufacture, sale, transfer, purchase, or receipt of ghost guns. That's guns without serial numbers, example. Makes trafficking in firearms a standalone criminal offense. Requires federally licensed gun dealers to submit and annually certify compliance with a security plan to detect and deter firearm theft. Removes limitations on the civil liability of gun manufacturers. Allows the Consumer Product Safety Commission to issue safety standards for firearms and firearm components. Establishes a community violence intervention grant program and promotes research on firearm safety and gun violence prevention. Some of it don't sound too bad. However, they're also trying to do red flag orders, mandatory reporting of the NICS denials to law enforcement, and countless other anti-2A legislation. So, you might just want to be careful. That's just in the Congress. There's also state proposals of there's like safe storage of loaded firearms. It removes the exclusion which allows a person carrying a firearm on his or her body or within such proximity to themselves. They could retrieve it and use it easily. When you need it, you need it. You don't have time to be going through a locked box, taking a key, taking it out. Somebody's coming at you in your house or something in the middle of the night. You got to think, you got to be able to get to it. This means that in your own home, you would be prohibited from carrying a firearm on your person and keeping it on your night table for your protection if minors under 16 years of age are present in your home. I don't know about you, but my kids were taught how to shoot at an early age. That caused all the curiosity to go away. They would never touch anything in my home, and this is before they had laws of putting locks and stuff like that. You take the excitement and where they see what it can do, and it's no longer it's kind of like drinking as a minor. It's fun, and then when you become of age, it's like I don't even want to do that no more, because it's just not something you're not supposed to do. So I know that's kind of weird to kind of don't mix alcohol and guns, guys. That's not what I'm trying to get at here. Anyway, the amendment makes failure to store your firearm as described as a crime even if a minor does not gain access to the firearm. You know, they don't have to touch it, your crime, if they come in for whatever. Criminal liability attaches even if the minor obtains the firearm through illegal entry into your home. So if some kid breaks into your home and takes your firearm, you're charged with this, okay? You can't charge them for stealing it. It's they got to it, so it's your fault. That's Senate Bill 294. Okay, now we're looking at Senate Bill 330, sale and delivery of firearms. This bill will eliminate the ability of private parties to sell firearms directly to each other. The bill requires that all sales and purchases of firearms be conducted through a federally licensed firearm dealer, and that a background check be conducted prior to the sale being completed. You can also look at all these new law gun proposals by going on congress.gov. Nope, USlawshield.com. USlawshield.com is where I'm getting this from. Then we have Senator Bill 370. Okay, Senate Bill 370 is assault weapons and large capacity magazines. This bill will make the sale of what is defined as assault weapons in any magazine which hold over 10 illegal in Florida. I don't know about you, but I like my 30 rounds. You know, I mean, you know, we don't know what's coming. I might need those 30 rounds. Pretty good shot though. But still, I don't like to reload a whole lot. Even when I'm out there in target practice, I don't like constantly reloading. I want to shoot. They're only open so long. I'm going to shoot for a while, you know. So, anyhow, so that's a few that's coming out. Just keep up with it. You can go on it, US Law Shield. You can also go on congress.gov and find out what they're introducing and stuff. But keep an eye out for your rights. Don't let them take them away, because they will sneak everything they can in here. So anyway, that's it for now. See you next topic. Thank you for watching, and see you next topic.